Prime Day is back, and while the front page is full of hype, the real gems are hidden deeper. I've sifted through thousands of listings to bring you 20 home and kitchen products that are actually worth your money, at prices that'll make you look twice. These aren't just random discounts, they're upgrades for your daily life, from air quality to kitchen efficiency. We're talking 70 to 90% off on items that solve real problems and disappear fast. I'll break down what makes each one special, why the deal is so good, and who it's for. Ready to find the best hidden Prime Day deals for your home? Let's dive in. First up, the GermGuardian Tower HEPA Air Purifier. Its true HEPA filter captures 99.97% of allergens, and the tower design fits neatly in any room. It also features a UVC light to kill germs and a charcoal filter for odors, perfect for allergy sufferers or pet owners. Normally pricey, but today's Prime Day deal makes it a must-have for cleaner, healthier air. If you want a silent, effective air upgrade, this is the one to grab. Meet the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, cleaning, automated. Its self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt, so you barely have to think about vacuuming. With smart LiDAR mapping, it navigates your home efficiently, handling both carpets and hard floors. The Prime Day discount slashes the price in half, making high-end automation affordable. If you want to reclaim your time and keep your floors spotless, this is the deal. Set it, forget it, and enjoy a cleaner home. The Coway Airmega is all about quiet, stylish air purification. Its compact, minimalist design fits anywhere, bedroom, office, or shelf. True HEPA filtration and near-silent operation make it ideal for sleep or focus. Auto mode adjusts to real-time air quality, and the Prime Day price makes this premium purifier accessible. For clean air without the noise or clutter, Coway is the elegant choice. The Bissell Little Green is your go-to for quick, powerful stain removal. It's compact, portable, and perfect for tackling spills on carpets, upholstery, or car interiors. Spray, scrub, and watch stains vanish. No need for a bulky carpet cleaner or expensive pros. With today's deal, it's a small investment that pays for itself the first time you save a rug or sofa. Essential for parents, pet owners, or anyone who wants messes gone fast. The Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 Smart XL Air Fry Oven is a kitchen game-changer. Air fry, bake, roast, toast, dehydrate. This single appliance does it all, saving space and time. Dual racks mean you can cook a full meal at once and it preheats in 90 seconds. The digital controls are easy, and the results are consistently delicious. With a big Prime Day discount, you're getting a second oven that's faster, more versatile, and more efficient. Upgrade your kitchen and streamline your cooking with one smart buy. The LEVOIT Core 300S is the smart air purifier for tech lovers. Control it from your phone, set schedules, and monitor real-time air quality with the VSync app. True HEPA filtration and voice assistant integration make it both powerful and convenient. The Prime Day deal brings smart home air purification within reach. If you want data, automation, and clean air, this is your pick. The Dyson Purifier, Hot plus Cool, is a premium, all-in-one solution. Air purifier, fan, and heater. Its HEPA and carbon filters capture nearly all allergens, and Air Multiplier Tech circulates purified air year-round. Use it for cooling in summer, heating in winter, and always breathing cleaner air. Smart features and app control add convenience, and today's rare discount makes it more attainable. It's a luxury, but one that truly delivers on comfort and performance. If you want the best, this is the time to get it. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is both a robot vacuum and mop in one. Swap the bin and it knows to mop hard floors while avoiding carpets. Precision vision navigation dodges obstacles, even pet messes. And the self-emptying base means weeks of hands-off cleaning. The Prime Day deal makes this advanced, dual-function robot more affordable than ever. For a truly hands-free clean, this is the smart choice. The Ninja Creamy reinvents homemade ice cream. Just freeze your base, and it churns out creamy treats in minutes. Make low-sugar, dairy-free, or protein-packed desserts with total control over ingredients. It's easy, versatile, and perfect for families or anyone with dietary needs. The Prime Day price makes this viral favorite a fun, affordable upgrade. Turn any frozen mix into a delicious dessert at the touch of a button. Fruit flies ruining your kitchen? This simple, discreet fruit fly trap solves the problem fast. Add bait, set it near your fruit, and let it work. No chemicals, no fuss. The design blends in with your counter and it's reusable. For just a few dollars you get peace of mind and a pest-free kitchen. It's a tiny investment with a big impact. Organize everything with a smart label maker that connects to your phone. Design custom labels in the app, choose fonts, icons, and templates, then print instantly. It's rechargeable, ink-free, and perfect for pantries, storage, or school supplies. The Prime Day deal makes it a budget-friendly way to bring order to your home. If you love organization, this tool is a must-have. Protect your dishes and sink with a silicone sink mat. It cushions fragile glassware, resists heat, and drains water easily. Customizable to fit any sink, it's dishwasher safe and simple to clean. For a few bucks you prevent chips, scratches, and accidents. It's a small upgrade that makes daily chores safer and easier. Ditch single-use plastics with reusable silicone food bags. They're freezer, microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe, perfect for leftovers, lunches, or sous vide. Airtight seals keep food fresh and they last for thousands of uses. Prime Day discounts make it easy to stock up and save money long-term. It's an eco-friendly swap that's good for your kitchen and the planet. Cook meat perfectly every time with an instant-read digital thermometer. Fast, accurate readings take the guesswork out of grilling, roasting, or smoking. Backlit, waterproof, and magnetic for easy use and storage. Today's deal gets you pro-level precision for a fraction of the usual price. It's a small tool that makes a big difference in your cooking. Upgrade hygiene with a touchless soap dispenser. No more messy pumps. Infrared sensors dispense the perfect amount of soap, reducing germs and waste. Adjustable, easy to refill, and battery-operated for convenience. Prime Day pricing makes this smart upgrade affordable for any kitchen or bathroom. It's a simple way to keep things cleaner and more modern. Free up counter space and keep knives sharp with a magnetic knife strip. Mount it on your wall for easy access and a professional look. It's more hygienic than a block and safer than a drawer. Prime Day deals mean you can get a high-quality strip for less. Instantly declutter and upgrade your kitchen style and function. Save space with a collapsible dish rack. Full size when you need it, flat when you don't. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or RVs. Drains easily, stores anywhere, and keeps your counters clear. The Prime Day price makes it a smarter choice than bulky traditional racks. It's all about function when you need it, space when you don't. Transform your kitchen with under-cabinet LED lighting. Easy to install, these strips brighten your workspace and add a modern glow. Motion sensors and remotes add convenience and efficiency. Today's deals make this high-impact upgrade surprisingly affordable. It's a quick DIY that makes your kitchen safer, brighter, and more inviting. Bring order to chaotic drawers with adjustable dividers. Spring-loaded and customizable, they fit any drawer and create instant organization. Non-slip grips keep them in place, and bamboo or plastic options look great. Prime Day discounts make it the perfect time to finally tackle that junk drawer. A small change that makes your kitchen feel calm and efficient. Open wine bottles effortlessly with an electric wine opener. Just press a button. No twisting, no broken corks, no hassle. Rechargeable, sleek, and comes with a foil cutter for a clean finish. The Prime Day deal makes this affordable luxury even more accessible. It's a must-have for entertaining or gifting any wine lover. That's 20 hidden Prime Day gems, each one a real upgrade for your home. From smart appliances to clever gadgets, these deals offer true value and lasting impact. Let me know in the comments which one surprised you or made your list. Subscribe for more deal roundups. Outdoor and BBQ picks are coming next. Thanks for watching and happy Prime Day hunting. This is Tools and Decor USA. Save more, live better.